Check out these 5-star customer reviews for 5 aloe vera gel drinks, starting with the ever-popular plain aloe gel drink. As you may know, aloe vera supports gastrointestinal health, digestion and immunity, and promotes health and well-being. The aloe berry nectar is pure aloe which has been infused with cranberry and apple, which gives it a sweeter taste than the plain aloe gel drink. Next is the Forever Aloe Mango. The fruit used in Forever Aloe Mango is harvested at peak ripeness to ensure the rich flavor and nutrient content has reached just the right levels. It's my favorite as I love the taste of mango. Next we have the very popular Forever Freedom. It combines aloe vera with a blend of glucosamine sulfate, chondroitin sulfate, and MSM. It now contains no shellfish. Aloe Peaches is the next one. A smooth and fresh drink that's enhanced 84.3% pure aloe vera gel with natural peach puree. Why are the Forever Aloe drinks so popular as they are not the cheapest? Here's why. Forever only use the pure inner leaf aloe vera gel in all their aloe drinks and other aloe vera products. No leaf or rind. They grow their own Aloe barbadensis Miller plants, the best type, cultivated on fertile soils in a climate that enjoys over 2,000 hours of sunshine a year. When they reach maturity, they carefully hand fillet each leaf to extract the gel, while importantly avoiding the yellow latex layer. Aloe vera is the first and main ingredient in all their aloe products, and appears at the very top of the ingredients list. Did you know? Millions of people across the world in over 160 countries enjoy the many benefits of Forever's aloe vera drinks. I have it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach as my daily tonic. I've put a discount link in the description for you if you want to buy or learn more about any of Forever Living's aloe drinks, and you can read loads more reviews. And get a free download of utterly delicious aloe mocktail recipes via my website, which is also in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe as I'll be sharing lots more aloe videos and offers very soon.